Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how you can utilize Notion for blogging in 2025. Notion has become a go-to tool for bloggers due to its all-in-one workspace feature. To get started, first, you need to create a new page in Notion. This is your blank canvas where you'll craft your blogging masterpiece. This step is crucial because it's where you structure and shape your blog post. Now that we've done that, let's focus on adding content. You do this by clicking where it says type/ for commands and choosing text from the dropdown. The reason we do this is to keep our content in orderly and manageable blocks, making editing and rearranging a breeze later on. Next up, let's talk about adding images or videos. You simply type and select image or embed. This step can bring your blog to life by adding visual content to engage your readers. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words, and in blogging, that couldn't be more accurate. Here's where things get exciting. Notion allows you to add databases, which can be incredibly useful for tracking blog post progress, ideas, or publication schedules. To do this, you type / and select table or board. This helps us because it streamlines our blogging process and keeps us organized. Now let's discuss exporting your blog post. Once you're satisfied with your blog, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Export. The reason we do this is to transfer your blog from Notion to your preferred blogging platform. You can choose to export as Markdown, HTML, or PDF, depending on your needs. Let me explain why this matters. Markdown and HTML are perfect for WordPress users, while a PDF can be used if you're sending your blog post to clients or including it in a portfolio. It's all about versatility and fitting into your workflow. So there you have it, a quick but comprehensive guide on how to use Notion for blogging. Remember, the key is to explore and experiment with the various features Notion has to offer. And that wraps up today's tutorial. Until next time, happy blogging.